I attended the Ready for Kindergarten workshops this summer for my daughters. One is 1 and one is 4. And even though I have worked in early childhood education for several years now, I was really blown away by how much I learned in these workshops. The Not only like the things that we needed to be teaching to our girls, but um, like concrete ways to actually achieve those goals. I learned a lot more about what is expected of our kids when they start entering kindergarten, the things that are the things that they need to know to have that good foundation to build not just literacy skills, but lifelong outcomes for success for their life. Um, One of the things that was really awesome was the day that we got our box of uh, tools and resources, or in other words, totally free and amazing stuff. My daughter was so excited. We got our box in. We saved it. Like I told her, we made it a special activity the next day. We were super excited, um, and all the different toys and learning manipulatives and just awesome and amazing resources and stuff that came in that box. It was super cool. Um, we have loved reading some of the books that came in there, doing the puzzles. My little 1-year-old likes to tote around her little cell phone, and um, just a lot of great um, toys that really are tools that we've used in teaching our kids through play. Um, and I know that for me, like as a parent, I feel a lot more confident about being able to get my kids ready for kindergarten and ready for success.